Alright. So, hello everyone. Okay, great day sa inyo and welcome po sa ating presentation right now. So, I'm excited na i-share sa inyo yung napakaganda opportunity, no, na masasabi ko talagang blessings, no? Kasi sobrang dami na po yung natulungan, okay? Hindi lang po sa akin, sa family namin, kundi sa maraming tao na po, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Alright? And later on, i-share ko po sa inyo yung tatlong bagay lang. Right? Number one, okay? Madidiscover nyo po later on yung company na pinag-uusapan, pinagkakaguluhan, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi ng buong mundo. Okay? Yung kumpanya po na talagang binago po yung face ng direct sales. Right? So, revolution po yung ginawa niya. Okay? And later on, madidiscover din natin ang concept ng business na ito at kung paano mo ba ito maximize, right? And syempre ma-discover din natin later on ang of course the products, okay, na of course highest quality and very affordable. Kasi nga, okay, later on iba po yung konsepto nito. Okay, which I'll be sharing din sa inyo. Okay, so thank you so much nga pala sa mga nagstay dito and I appreciate po na pinapanood nyo pa itong ating presentation and patapusin mo lang to, no, sa mga umahabol, nanonood ka man ng live or whether it be recorded. Yan, so panoorin mo to, tapusin mo, and I'm sure na pag naintindihan mo yung konsepto nito, talagang masasabi mong you are blessed kasi nakita mo itong company na to. Alright, so hopefully na ready na kayo. Alright, so fasten your seat belt, okay? Kasi i-share ko na po sa inyo ang opportunity na sinasabi ko sa inyo ngayon. But before that, syempre papakilala muna ako sa inyo. Alright, so hello sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so welcome. So I'm Coach Mart Aldagasdas. I'm 22 years old. Okay, so I'm a Live Good pioneer, or should I say Live Good pillar? Kasi nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo, no? And I'm also a professional network marketer. Okay, so I've been in this industry for quite some times na rin. Okay, so and part din po tayo ng DMW Speakers Bureau. So isa po tayo sa mga youngest Speakers Bureau. So blessed po tayo and grateful naging part niyan. And full-time na rin po tayo dito sa business. And I'm also the founder of my team, Zeal Empire. So shout out po sa ating team dyan. And currently, platinum rank, running for diamond. All right, so very soon, in God's will, in God's perfect time. But this presentation is not all about me. It's all about your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain, okay, through the help of this opportunity. So sana, okay, mag-tune in ka at maintindihan mo ang opportunity na ito. Okay, so welcome everyone to Live Good. Ayan, so alam nyo po ba, nung unang talagang nakita ko talaga to, alam nyo, sobrang namangha ako. Sobrang na-impress ako. Sabi ko, grabe, may ganito pa palang kumpanya, no, na hindi na traditional, na tinanggal na po yung mga pahirap, no, which later on ipapaliwanag ko rin sa inyo. Okay, kaya nung time po talaga na nakita ko 'to, talagang alam nyo, nakita ko yung ano puwedeng mangyari, eh, yung puwedeng ano, sobrang daming taong matulungan. Alright, kaya talagang pinag-aralan ko, and though hindi ko pa totally naintindihan lahat, pero nung may naintindihan ko na yung konsepto niya, ayan, hindi na po ako nagduda. Alright, sinimulan ko po siya. Okay, so hopefully, okay, makatulong ako sa inyo kung nadududa ka pa, right? Kung nag-iisip ka pa ng or floating networker ka, ayan. Yan, kumbaga naghahanap ka ng opportunity right now, well, maybe baka ito na yung hinahanap mo, ito na yung pinagpe-pray mo. Alright? So, before tayo mag-proceed, ayan, so ano muna tayo, set muna natin yung tamang expectations, no? So, may disclaimer po muna tayo. Alright? The information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. And I myself, hindi rin po ako financial advisor. Right? And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So, as of now, so hindi po tayo nagte-trade or nag-invest sa crypto, no? So, ginagamit lang po natin yan as gateway or mode of sign up or payout. Okay? And take note that Live Good is not an investment company. Right? So, kung naghahanap ka ng investment company, well, you are in the wrong presentation. Kasi hindi po to investment. Okay? So, let me clarify things up, ha? Okay? Baka set kayo ng expectation na, walang gagawin dito. So, business opportunity po ang ina-attendan nyo ngayon. Okay, so it is illegal for a promoter or participant in a program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. So wala tayong pinapromise dito, and hindi namin kayo inganyo, no, na totally sumali sa inyo, kasi at the end of the day kayo pa rin yung magko-convince sa sarili nyo. Okay? So ang mission lang namin dito is to share with you, okay, the good news na meron talaga itong kumpanyang ito, this opportunity. Right? And do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So later on, meron akong i-share sa inyo ng mga sample, no, o proof of mga kumita na dito sa company na to, sa opportunity na to. And that does not guarantee din na pag ginawa mo to in just few months, few weeks, ganun din kagad yung result mo. So magdedepende po yung result natin dito sa effort na exert natin dito. And sa seriousness mo sa negosyo, okay? And sa time na ilalaan mo din dito, right? So, pero, okay, yun yung papupuntahan natin. Yun yung magiging future mo once na ginawa mo rin to, okay? So, yan, para lang ma-set natin yung expectations nyo, alright? So, you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. In short, mag-research ka. Right? So marami na ngayon, may Google or meron na tayong sa YouTube, no? Basta sa tamang tamang website, all right? And sa tamang mga taong pinagtatanungan mo. Pero since andito ka na, so tune in ka na lang, tapusin mo na lang 'to at para mas maintindihan mo galing mismo sa mga taong nandito na. All right? Pero hindi ka nililimitahan sa pag-research, okay? So you can do your own research pa rin. Okay, pero hopefully na talagang makuha mo at maintindihan mo talaga ito. Alright, so before niyan, meron muna akong ipapanood sa inyo na short video wherein nagsasalita po dito ang ating CEO, okay, si Ben Glinsky. Okay, so i-share niya po niya yung kung sino ba si Live Good, ano ba si Live Good, right? So bakit kakaiba po siya. Alright, so yan, focus muna tayo dito kung anong ginagawa nyo, okay? Dyan, and mas maganda kung kaya nyong i-focus muna, panoorin natin to, so much better, okay? So let's watch this short video ng ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic super beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top, no? So talagang indeed, this company as the most exciting company in the industry. Okay? Kasi talagang binago niya, no, yung itsura talaga ng direct sales. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo at mas ipapaliwanag ko ang sinabi ng ating CEO. So tune in ka lang and don't tune out. All right? So, sino ba si Live Good? Ayan, Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. Okay? So ano pa lang po si Live Good 1 year, okay? Next month. Right? And si Live Good po is a US-based direct sales company. Ayan, focused in these two things, wellness and digital service industry. So, ayan, din na bago sa atin, no, na health is wealth, lalo ng pandemic. And halos lahat online na, no, yung pag-order natin, even yung pag-aaral, no. So kinumbine po ito at inadapt ng ating company para syempre mas mabilis and mas marami talaga tayong matulungan, right? And ang ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Okay? So Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay? So hindi lang po traditional, right, na direct sales si Live Good. Okay, club membership po siya. Actually, maraming mga club membership companies out there, pero ni sentimo walang binabalik sa iyo. Okay, but here in Live Good, you can earn money, okay, money as a club member, whether or not you refer other members to the program. Okay, so wait, before ka mag-react, no? Before tumas yung kilay mo, di ba? Ayan, kasi baka isipin mo too good to be true, di ba? So, patapusin mo muna to. Okay? Kasi merong explanation po yan. Okay? Totoo po yung pagkadinig, no? Okay? So, whether or not you refer other members to the program, pwede ka pa rin kumita. So, paano? Okay, so mamaya ipapaliwanag natin. Alright, so unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. While marami mga companies out there nagko-compete sa pataasan ng prices, no? Pero dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Okay, so now, if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you are not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Kaya, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright, so si Live Good po, hindi po siya, again, hindi po siya traditional na MLM, direct sales, network marketing, networking. Okay? Ano bang meron sa mga traditional? Alright? So, elaborate lang po natin. No? Number one, may product package. Alright? So, may mga product package yan. Yan na may products doon na kahit, di ba, may marami doon, di ba, na kahit di mo pa kailangan or gusto yung products, ayan, so wala kang magagawa. Okay? Kasama sa doon makukuha mo talaga. Alright, so mostly ng mga may mga product packages, overpriced yung products. Kahit retail, okay, overpriced talaga yung products. Okay? Yan pagka nasa traditional. And meron ding left and right pairing system. Ayan. So, yung downside, actually, I'm not against that kasi kahit paano, alright, actually nakapag nung previous company namin, so, kapag benefit kami niyan, pero ang downside lang kasi niyan kasi, um, hindi siya totally fair, alright? Lalo na kung isang side mo talagang totally malakas, alright? Tapos yung kabila mo, saktuhan lang, alright? Mapipigilan yung momentum, alright? So sa mga binaryan diyan, ayan, so makaka-relate kayo niyan, alright? Tapos yung pa-incentive, 'di ba? So mas doon ka magpo-push doon sa mga mahihina, no? Para bumangga ka, kumita ka. Ayan. So mga gano'n 'no, maraming ano 'yan, okay. So, 'yan 'pag ano, traditional. And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. So, para, makuha mo yung commission mo, ma-maintain mo yung tinatawag na rank, okay, so kailangan talaga magbayad ng tinatawag na maintenance, alright? So, kahit 'di mo pa gusto yung products, okey, or other term niyan is auto ship, okay. Kahit 'di mo pa gusto yung products dahil nga kailangan, wala kang magagawa, right? Kaya yung iba mostly, na-stuck sila na nagkakaroon sila ng maraming products at kahit di na kailangan, ang nangyari, na-expired, okay? Ayan, so ganun 'pag traditional. Number 5, fifth pair. Actually sa amin nga hindi nga lang fifth pair, 3, 4, 5. Instead na commission mo na, ayan, ginawa pang points. Ayan, points para i-convert sa gadget, ayan, products. Ayan, so ganun yun, no? So, number 6 is limit of encoding. So, pag traditional, experience din namin yan, no? So, limit talaga. So, yung momentum, hindi tuloy-tuloy. Parang, mabagal talaga. Alright, mabagal. Kasi lilimitahan eh. Kasi bakit may limit? May tinatawag tayong flash out. So, yung flash out po, yung meron kasing tinatawag na cycle every day. Kumbaga, meron tinatawag na maximum of pairs. So kung for example, malakas yung kabila mo, right? Tas yung kabila mo is sumobra sa encode. Sabihin nating 6, 7 lang. Sabihin nating 5 yung maximum, nag-6 yung encode niya. Sabihin nating meron kang waiting to be paired na 10, 20 or even 50,000, mawawala yun lahat, back to zero. Alright? So, yung tipong, naka-build ka, tapos may mga leaders ka, tapos yun nga, naka-flash out. Yung tipong imo-motivate mo yung leaders mo na okay lang yan kasi malakas pa, di ba? Pero deep inside, di ba? So, ano na pala, di ba? Na low moral na, di ba? Kasi pinaghirapan yun eh. 'Di ba? So gano'n, okey. So 'yun siya, may downside talaga siya 'no, 'pag sa mga traditional and ito unexplained deductions, right? Yung mga miscellaneous fees, right? Or kung ano-ano pang mga fees 'no, I don't know kung totoo 'yan, okey. And number 9, high attrition. Because of those reasons, mataas talaga yung attrition rate. Marami yung mga nagqui-quit, marami yung mga naglalaylo kasi nga 'yun, yung gano'ng mga reason, alright? So ano na po 'yan, obsolete, okey? So, sinauna na po 'yan, alright? So, alam naman natin 'no, di na sa atin bago. Change is the only constant thing in the world. Palagi nag-innovate, palagi may bago. Right? And ito po yung ginawa ni Live Good. So, wala na po tayo niyan. Okay? Yung mga sinabi kong mga reason sa inyo. And ngayon, bakit si Live Good? Right? So, I'll give you 10. Pero 6 lang muna ngayon. Yung 4 na sa last part. Okay? So, aside sa, syempre, wala na tayo doon. Yan, mahal na products. Okay? Product package, left and right pairing system. Wala na tayo noon, no? Monthly maintenance sa Unilevel. Ayan. Wala na rin. Okay? Limit of encoding. Ayan, wala na. Unlimited encoding dito. Okay? Tapos, high, stickability. Okay? Yung tao, kaya mas marami talagang nag-stay kung naiintindihan nila yung concept ng business. Alright? So, pero ito yung mga other reasons din bakit. Okay, number 1, we have these amazing products. So, alam naman natin, no, pag US based, so no questions asked yan, no? So, amazing talaga yung products. And not just that, from the selection of ingredients and at the same time, from the finished product, masusi po na pinag-aralan ang ating mga, ang ating mga produkto. Okay? So, later on, mas ipapaliwanag natin yan. And number 2, incredible yung prices. Kasi, laman natin, no, pagka US-based, no, and, pag nasa, talaga, first world na mga countries, okay, so, pagka, sabi natin products, pag high quality, inisip agad natin mahal. Pero dito magugulat ka. High quality, pero incredible. Okay? Or should I say, affordable ang mga products natin. Kasi nga, club membership po ito. Okay? Hindi po siya yung typical or traditional na direct sales. Okay? And number 3, no auto shipping. So, wala na tayo, hindi ka na ipo-force dito na every single month bumili ka ng product. So, bibili ka lang anong gusto mo, kailan mo gusto. Alright? And no monthly products to buy. So, yun nga, hindi ka napipilitin dito na every single month mamili ng products. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, that means, ito nag-refer to with our products. So, that means within 90 days, pag hindi mo na gusto yung products, okay, ubusin mo yung laman. Yung lalagyan, pwede mo isauli. No questions asked, ibabalik sa'yo yung pera mo. Alright? So, ito lang po yung nakita kong 90 days. Yung iba kasi 7, 30 days. Pero ito, matindi 90 days. Ganon tayo ganun ka-secure dito. Okay? Ayan. So, number 6 is, ayan. So, ito legit to, guys. Alright? Number 1 business to join. Number 1 business to join talaga. Okay? So, currently right now, kahit mag-research ka, okay? Ikaw na mismo maghanap, no? Sa YouTube, even sa mga website. Pero ito, bigyan kita ng idea, no? Alright? So, bakit number 1 business to join? So, pwede kayo pumunta dito. Ito, credible site to eh. Okay, kasi tinatala nito dito yung mga lahat ng mga companies global. Alright? So, yan, pwede kayo pumunta sa sa website ng Business for Home. Yan. So, nagkaroon po ng voting sa top direct selling comp plan this year, 2023. Right? So, pinagbotohan, there are about 700 out of thousands of companies. 750 plus lang po ang na nakuha ni Business for Home. Right? And ito, kabago-bago lang ni Livegood. Ito yung mga 3 or 4 months pa lang si Livegood. Nag-top 5 po siya. Okay? So, matindi, no? Yung kasabayan niya or yung mga competitor dito, 5, 10, 20, 30, even 50 years na po sa industry. Pero bakit nag-top 5 si Livegood? So, there must be something in this company. And tumadupit, nagkaroon ulit ng poll or voting. Okay? But this time, most trusted direct sales company naman. Okay? So, kung kanina nag-top 5, this time nag-top 2 naman. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, talagang pinagkakatiwalaan siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the company or the record speaks for itself. Sabi pa nga dito, no need to believe what I say. Kasi pwede ko sabihin kung anong gusto ko sabihin eh. 'Di ba? Oh, let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023. Alright? Oh, kanina lang, okay? Ini-record ko pa, no? Ayan, kaka-post lang natin. Kanina lang. Nagkaroon ulit. Nakakatapos lang, no? This month, nakakatapos lang ng poll or voting. Okay, pinagbotohan ulit top direct selling companies of 2024. Ito matindi, malupit. Kung kanina nag-top 2, sabi ko na nga, dati palagi ko sinasabi, top 1. Totoo nga, nag-top 1 na po si Live Good. Matindi talaga, no? Oh, ngayon kung kanina 750 companies, ngayon nadagdagan 800 na. Imagine mo, out of 800 companies, global, okay, we're talking about global ha. Okay? Matindi nag-top 1 po si Live Good. Ang makasama pa lang ito to tell you, ang makasama pa lang sa 800 na yan, iba yan. Ilalo na 'pag nag-top 1 ka. So, ibig sabihin, may kakaiba po dito. Alright? Ang nagboto po diyan, there are about 17,662 votes. And tayo po, si Livgood, nag-top 1. Grabe. 'Di ba? Oh, hindi na ako mag-ano, hindi na ako yung magsasabi. Okay? The record speaks for itself. Okay? Ayan. Kaya kung nagdududa ka, ay bay, tanggalin mo na yung duda mo. Okay? Top 1 na po yung company. 'Di ba may iba nagke-claim top 1 daw sila. O, pakita nila yung record. Okay, so ito, for transparency lang, o pwede kayong mag-research, Business for Home, punta kayo do'n. Okay? So sila po yung nagtatala ng buong company sa buong mundo. Alright, so kung bakit gano'n naging record ng company, top 5, top 2, and right now top 1, bakit? Anong meron dito sa kumpanyang ito? Bakit na lang pinag-aagawan, pinagkakaguluhan ng mga taong 'to, natin 'no? Si Live Good. Okay, so papaliwanag natin 'yan kung bakit. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, ano bang mission ni Live Good? Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. 'Di ba? Kasi maraming mga companies ano sila, self-centered, 'di ba? To be the number one, 'di ba? To be the highest, 'di ba? Or kung ano pa man. Pero dito, katulong maging healthy ang mga tao na hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo, hindi masasaktan ang wallet mo. Okay ba yun? Alright, so ngayon ito po ang ating Live Good team kung bakit gano'n na lang yung growth, okay, ng company. It is because of this awesome and grabe talaga masasabi kong genius na mga taong 'to, alright? And especially ang ating CEO, right? Itong ating CEO si Ben Glinsky, itong nagsalita kanina, okay? So kumbaga, hindi po pipitsugin lang, alright, ang ating company owner or kumbaga bagito. Okay? Kasi akalain mo ba naman 20 years of experience. Oh, experience owning and running some of the most successful. Kasi maraming mga ano, mga company, nagka-company owner, 'di ba? Pero tingnan mo naman ang record, 'di ba? Oh, kumusta naman? Yun lang, okay? Pero ito, 20 years na owning and running, okay, some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Ibig sabihin, sobrang dami niya natulungan. And for the record, sabi pa nga niya 'no, sa video niya kanina, close to $1 billion na po ang na-payout niyang commission in his previous companies. So that means sobrang dami talagang natulungan talaga magbago yung buhay. Alright? And not just that, very hands-on and very transparent po itong taong 'to. Okay? Oh, last time nga nung Zoom, ayan, so meron siyang 'yan yung ano natin, yung sa system, okey, ano lang natin yung system natin 'no, sa system natin online, okey, matindi. Sabi niya, "We have, okay, the best of the best," ayan, na mga programmer, alright? Kasi kung anong sinasabi niya, anong nasa isip niya na medyo malalim 'no, nagiging realidad, eh. And right now, okey, na-implement po 'yan dito sa Livegood. Kung bakit gano'n na lang yung growth, gano'n na lang yung nagiging, record ng company because of this masasabi kong genius person, okey? Ayan. So ngayon, nagawa itong si Livegood kasi gusto niyang matulungan, okey? Matulungan yung sabi pa nga niya dun sa previous na Zoom ulit niya, na gusto niyang matulungan yung 99% of the people who are making little or no money sa most of the companies. Okay, hindi niya mission yung i-attract yung 1% na mga leaders, yung 99% gusto niyang matulungan. Kasi ang direct sales, nagawa siya para sa everyday people, eh. Okay, bonus na lang yung mga talagang, kikita ka talaga ng bongga. 'Di ba? Oh, so ngayon na-tied up naman itong ating 'yan, ang ating mga product formulators. Ayan, si Doc Ryan Goodkin. So hindi rin basta-basta nga nagfo-formulate ng ating product kasi grabe din yung background, doctorate in pharmacy, may degree in science and nutrition. Okay, may background of being both natural health practitioner as well as pharmacist. Right? And katuwang niya po, ayan sa pag-educate sa atin si Lisa Goodkin. So ito po silang dalawa at makikita niyo talaga na yung definition of being healthy kasi sila mismo, of course, tine-take nila yung products and makikita mo talagang ina-apply nila yung sinasabi nila. Alright? Okay, yung pagiging healthy. Okay, tapos ito naman po ang ating, Director of Network Marketing. So ito po yung nag-push actually kaya Ben talagang, gawin talaga 'to si Live Good kasi nakita kasi ni Ben yung nangyayari sa most of the companies. Alright, so yan nagawa itong si Live Good kasi he wants to fix the industry. Alright? So with these awesome people kung bakit gano'n na lang tremendous yung, growth ng company, kumbaga breaking the records, okay? Yung growth in terms of numbers of people, okay, because of these awesome people. All right? Awesome nating mga owners or founders. All right? So ngayon, we have over actually around 18 life-changing products, and not just that, highest quality. Okay? So what we mean by that, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Ibig sabihin, talagang malinis, alright? And pang world-class yung pagkagawa ng ating mga products na kahit, mga professionals or kahit sino yung kaharap mo, kaya mong i-share yung mga products natin. Hindi ka mapapahiya. Okay? So, made in the USA. So, alam naman natin pag sa USA, quality talaga yan. And lalo na pag approved by the GMP. Alright? So, hindi rin basta-basta ang pagpapa-approve niyan. And, of course, lab tested tayo for purity and potency. Right? And we have this new products natin, CBD pain relief cream. So, pag sumasakit yung kasukasuhan mo, so good yan sa'yo. Ito naman yung collagen peptide. So, if you want na, syempre, as we grow old, mas nagdi-deplete yung production ng ating collagen sa ating katawan. So we need food supplement like this one, okay, para ma-supply. And we have exclusive ingredients like Velocitol, Polynar, Apresflex na marami ding benefits sa ating katawan. So I'm not going to discuss further about sa mga products natin kasi may separate training tayo about dyan sa natin YouTube. And mismo yung ating mga product formulators na nagpapaliwanag. Alright, so ito binigyan ko lang kayo ng overview. And we also energy and focus patches. Ayan, so ayan, from the word itself, no, energy and focus, kung hirap ka makapag-focus, 'di ba, na wala kang energy, ayan, so patch po 'yan, no? Yan, so maraming benefits 'yan, right? Yan, support healthy energy, promotes positive mood. Ito naman nating sleep patches. Ayan, so kung hirap kang matulog, yan, may insomnia ka. Ayan, helpful din po ito sa iyo. Ayan, so order ka lang, kung kailan mo gusto. All right. So, yan, ang the best nito kasi 'di ba sinabi ko sa inyo we have the best product, no? So, talagang literal po, we have the best product. Why? Kasi may tinatawag tayong certificates of analysis. Okay? So, each product of LiveGood is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory under Alternative Labs 4740S. So, minimin talaga namin 'yan, okay, na highest quality and syempre magandang quality ng mga products. Okay, so alam nyo, bibihira na ako makakita ng company may tinatawag na certificates of analysis. Okay, and matindi nun kasi pinablik pa ng kumpanya. Kasi iba, pina-private nila tinatago nila Pero ito public. Anyone can look at our certificates of analysis. And ito, third party to hindi to gawa-gawa lang ni LiveGood. Okay? So, ibang entity po yung nagte-test dito. So, if you know mga nasa medical field like nurse, no, or doctor, yan. So, alam nila basahin yan kung ano meron dyan. Alright? Kasi tinetest yan kung okay ba siya or hindi, kung mayroong makakasira sa katawan natin or what, no? Ayan po. So, pwede nyo pong tingnan yan. Search lang www.livegood.com. Nasa pinakababa ng website natin. Ayan, Certificates of Analysis. So, ganun katindi. Okay? Pinag-aralan ng masusi. Okay? So, ngayon, hindi lang yan. Our products are also GMP certified. So, what we mean by that, alam niyo naman hindi basta-basta din magpa-approve ang GMP, no? Kasi maraming titingnan yan like location, machinery, processing, sanitary maintenance personnel, and many more. So, talagang stricto, no? Hindi lang yan, ang mga products natin are, yan, meron tayong some of the certifications like caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab tested, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kaninang certificates of analysis, 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and USDA organic. That means of highest quality and organic ang mga products natin. Walang insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, or even yeast, molds, or mga heavy metals na nahahalo sa mga products natin. Okay? Mai-ensure mo talaga na pag tinake mo, magkakaroon ka ng magandang effect sa katawan mo. Alright? And hindi ka mababahala. Okay? So, ngayon, we have wellness for all. So, ito maganda kasi padagdag po ang ating mga products dito. So, may iba-iba tayo. Syempre, may iba-iba tayong pangangailangan. So, dito mo na pwedeng bilhin, no? Meron tayong men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Ayan. So, yun yung maganda. And soon, no, we will be having 200 plus products according sa ating CEO in 2 years time. Right? And very soon din, mga services Kasi club membership po ito. So kahit anong mga products, mga cleaning products or even mga airline, mga ticketing or sa ah, mga kung ano pang mga products na makakatulong sa atin, puwedeng ilagay dito ni Live Good, alright? Na of high quality and of course very affordable. Okay? Kaya matindi talaga even solar panel 'no or yung mga machine 'no na bino-blow sa katawan, ayan makakatulong sa health natin. So soon, okay, magkakaroon din 'yan kasi nga, okay, we are club membership. Okay? So how do I order products? So dalawa yung nag-order dito, you can order as a consumer and member. 'Pag consumer, you pay retail low prices and 'pag nag-member ka, much lower yung prices na mabibili mo, makukuha mo, alright? And ito mas na-appreciate ko 'no, kasi si Live Good is available literally, okay? Available tayo literally in 200 plus countries. 'Di ba kasi may sinasabi sila 'di ba na iba na ano, ano din sila global, 'di ba? Pero titignan mo, 'di ba karamihan mga ano lang din, kalahi lang din 'di ba, mga Pilipino, pero ito literal talaga global. What we mean by that, 'pag nag-order tayo in kung saan mang countries 'no, matatanggap natin yung products, magagawa natin yung negosyo and at the same time, makakapag-payout tayo. Okay, so kung saang currency man tayo, saang bansa man tayo, 'di ba? Sobrang na-appreciate ko 'to 'no. So hindi mo na poproblemahin yung shipping, yung release ng payout, alright? Company na, sinolve na ng company. Ang gagawin mo na lang is to share. 'Di ba? Matindi talaga, o kung papipiliin ka anong gusto mo, local or pang-global or international? Go for international kasi matindi yung ano, yung growth, 'di ba? O kung dumami man, marami ng makakalam sa yung Live Good 'di ba sa atin sa Pilipinas 'no? O may chance pa kasi global tayo, eh, 'di ba? O dun tayo sa ibang lahi mas marami dun, billion yung population ng buong mundo, 'di ba? Oh, alright. So ngayon, okey, 'pag nag-member ka, ayan, 'pag nag-member ka, you save up to 75%. So, hindi po tayo 75% off. Okay, what we mean by that, 75% ang matitipid mo compared to products in other companies. Okay, so meron akong i-share sa inyo, okay, lalo sa mga first timers. Ganito kasi yan, ito not to bash, not to bring other companies down, okay, but to share with you what's the reality behind sa mga direct sales company. Ganito kasi yan. So, alam naman natin yung story ni David and Goliath, di ba? So, pinatumba ni David si Goliath with just one stone. So, si Goliath siya pa yung nagre-represent as yung mga price gouging MLMs and tayo po si David, si Lipcode. So, siyempre bago pa lang maliit, eh, 'di ba? So, ngayon, itong mga price gouging MLMs, actually kailangan po 'yun nilang gawin. So, again, this not to bash them, okay, but to tell you what's really the truth, right? Kailangan nilang gawin 'yon, yung papa-price gouge or pagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki, 10, 12, up to 14 times. Iba nga up to 20 times 'no, compared sa pagkagawa sa factory. Kailangan nilang gawin kasi bakit, dun kukunin yung pam-payout, commission ng mga, distributor, mga uplines, top earners, 'di ba? Bayad sa mga nakikita niyo may mga billboard, 'yan, kumukuha ng artista, okey? Siyempre bayad sa mga empleyado, maintenance sa system, alright? And, siyempre kita ng company owner. So lahat-lahat 'no, pati sa event, dun 'yan kinukuha sa products. Alright? Wherein, anong downside niyan? Ang nakita kasi ng ating company owner si Ben, 95% make little or no money. Okay? Yung iba, ano lang, kumbaga wala talagang kinita mostly. Okay? Ang iba, wala talaga, saktuhan lang. No? And less than 1% lang kumikita ng full-time income. What we mean by that, kumikita ng up to 6 figures in peso pataas. Alright? O 1% lang. So yun yung gustong baguhin talaga ng ating company owner na mas maraming matulungan. Alright? So ngayon, sabi pa nga ng ating Director of Network Marketing, si Noder, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yan. Alright? Tapos na po yung pagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products. Kasi pag ganun din yung concept, 2.8 or 3 months lang, nawawala yung mga tao, nalalaylo or nagki-quit. Alright? Marami yung high talaga yung attrition, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Alright? O, 'di ba? Tas i-hype pa tayo, "Ay hindi, ano 'to, mahal 'to kasi high quality." 'Di ba? Pero ang reality talaga, mahal hindi dahil sa high quality lang. Okey? Mahal siya kasi dun kinukuha yung commission. Okey? Kasi bakit? High quality din naman tayo, 'di ba? O may analysis pa tayo, certificates of analysis. Oh, pero bakit affordable? Kasi nga hindi tayo yung traditional, right? Oh, ano yung proof? Yan na of high quality tayo, malaking madi-discount mo. Ito price comparison tayo. Itong CBD oil, alam niyo ba CBD oil, maraming benefits to, anti-anxiety, anti-depression, may good for sa mga cancer din, nakakatulong din 'yan. And pag hirap ka matulog, goods din po 'yan, no? And marami pang benefits. So as of now, hindi pa siya well accepted sa Philippines, pero sa US, hot selling po talaga siya. Okay, so other companies, they sold their CBD oil at $80 to $90. Sa atin matindi, actually hindi yan 18, 'di ba? Instead na tumaas tayo dahil club membership 'to, mas pinababa. Okay, 'pag nag-member ka, makukuha mo po. Sa kanila 500 milligram eh, gano'n yung price. Sa atin 750 milligram, 50% much stronger according sa ating owner, and at the price of malupit, magkano? 14.95. 14.95, 80%, 80+% ang natipid mo, 'di ba? Natandaan natin, a money saved is a money earned. Okay? Ayan. Matindi talaga yung pricing pa lang, wala, tapos na yung boxing. High quality, wala, tapos na yung pag-uusapan natin, meron tayong analysis eh. Mapakita mo lang yan sa mga medical people. May, okay? Oh, ito namang greens, no? So may mga similarities na ingredients sa ibang companies. Ito, binibenta nila eh. Sa kanila, $170. Sa atin magkano? 18, 1.8, nakakanister pa. Malupit, 'di ba? O yung collagen peptides, magkano binebenta sa iba? 80, $70. Sa atin magkano? 27.95. Sleep patches, o magkano binebenta sa iba? 40, $70. Sa atin 14.95. Eh no wonder kung bakit marami talaga nagso-switch to Live Good. Okay, kasi nga quality, wala nang question eh. Sa pricing, no? Nagiging wise yung tao, mas marami kang mabibili dito eh. Marami kang matitipid dito eh, 'di ba? Oh. So, ito naman for comparison naman for members and retail price. So, ating multivitamins, we have men's and women. So, same price lang. Pag retail, 17.95. Pag member ka, 9.95. 60 capsules pa. High quality. Okay? Ayan. High quality, and matindi nito kasi magkano lang siya in peso, oh, 500 plus, 570, 580. 'Di ba? 60 capsules sa iba binebenta magkano, oh, mga 1,500, 2,000, 'di ba? Dito talagang affordable, 'no? Ito namang organic coffee, so kung gusto mo mag-manage ng weight mo, 'yan. So good for ano din, for the brain, no? So retail 28.95, members price 78.95. Alright, ito namang protein, 'yan, retail price $34, members price $22. Kung nagwo-workout ka, nabi-build ka ng muscles mo, so goods din po 'yan, alright? So, ano talaga affordable, mga around mga 1,000 plus lang, no, 1,200, I think. Okay, yung, price, mga gano'n. Okay, sa iba binebenta 2K, 2,500, 3,000. Okay, and malaki din guys, naku 'pag nakita niyo, as in sulit talaga, alright? And ito, tell you, may evolution po lahat ng, businesses. Okay, so 'di naman natin pipigilan talaga, change is the only constant thing in the world. 'Di ba? Yun lang yung permanent change talaga, 'di ba? Like mag-access natin information, dati newspaper, eventually naging radio, TV, and right now mga gadget, laptop, smartphone. Pagbibili natin, barter, eventually naging market, supermarket, right now e-commerce, no? Nasa online na, Amazon, ePay, okay, Alibaba. O sa atin naman, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Alright, oh. Ang concept din ng negosyo sa direct sales, same din, nag-evolve din. From old multi-level system, okay, yung mga breakaway system and many more, naging binary at multiple heads. Paramihan ng account, mas maraming account, mas marami kikitain. Okay, left and right, 'di ba? Pairing. Eventually nag-evolve hybrid binary. Alright, hybrid binary, ibig sabihin, okay, ano na, kumbaga marami ng kumbaga nilagay, okay? Tas multi-level system pa rin, unilevel, stair-step, pero same story pa rin eh. Price gouging, yung commission dun pa rin kinuha sa products. Wherein dun talaga nag-start yung pahirap, right? Oh, ngayon, Live Good has come, right? Oh, affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Ito na yung complete evolution. Complete evolution talaga siya. Okay? So, yung iba, pag hindi mag-adapt, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? Ang maganda sa atin, kasi yun nga, wala na tayong price gouging. Eh, di ka napipilitin bumili or even magbenta. Okay? Kaya ito, sabi pa ni Asher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, You evolve or you evaporate. Yun lang yung choice nila. Di ba? Maraming mga companies, no? Oh, mentionan natin like yung Kodak, yung Nokia, di ba? Very uso yun dati. Di ba? Oh, here comes Samsung. Oh, iPhone. Anong nangyari? Mga touchscreen na. Oh, oh, look at Nokia right now. Nag-exist pa rin sila pero hindi na sila ganong well known. O yung Kodak, dumating mga digital cameras. 'Di ba? Oh, hindi nakapag-adapt. So wala. Even yung pandemic, ang daming mga companies completely nagsara, completely closed kasi hindi sila nakapag-adapt sa online. 'Di ba? So other companies, pag hindi sila mag-adapt, okay, wala tayong magagawa. Desisyon nila 'yan. Basta tayo, sumabay tayo sa pagbabago, sa evolution. Alright? So ano bang meron dito sa company 'to? Ano bang meron sa Live Good? O simplihan na natin. Ang concept niya, subscription. Alright? Oh, okay, paliwanag lang natin, no? And simplihan lang din natin. Ang subscription po, it is a model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly kapalit sa ano? Products or services. And customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Right? So, yung example po nito is SIM card, okay? Familiar tayo, no? Actually, yung SIM card, ibig sabihin po ng SIM, Subscribers Identity Module. Meron tayong unique number dyan, napapaload tayo, sa atin lang dumarating yung load, di ba? Ang tawag sa atin, subscriber. Alright? Even yung cable, yan, internet. Para makapanood ka ng maraming channel sa TV, enjoy mo yung unlimited na wifi, internet, no? O, babayad ka monthly. Okay? Kuryente, tubig. Yan. Oh, para ma-enjoy mo yung of course, kuryente, tubig, babayad talaga monthly. And pag ayaw mo na, edi wag ka na magbayad, 'di ba? Stop mo lang, 'di ba? Ganun pag subscription. Alright? Anong importansya nito? You enjoy the benefits of the subscription, 'di ba? So sino ba naman yung gusto dito mawalang kuryente, tubig, 'di ba? Kaya isa din na sa naging benefits ito at importansya is it increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Kasi wala naman sa atin gusto mawalan ng internet lalo na sa panahon ngayon, 'di ba? Oh. So, anong advantage ito? Okay, it lowers the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customer to purchase your product. Kasi nga, hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan yung service or even yung products kasi doon na bumabawi sa subscription. So, ano yung mga popular na mga membership? Yan, andyan yung Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus. Pag gusto mo makapanood ng movies, so yan, dyan ka magsusubscribe. Right? Monthly or yearly. Eh, gusto mo nito, ito mo lang, stop mo, unsubscribe. Alright? So, ito naman, pag gusto mo makakuha ng mga discounted products, makapasok dun sa loob ng shop nila. Sam's Club, andyan si Costco. Okay? Magbabayad ka monthly or even yearly din. Okay? O ano pang ibang mga popular membership? Andyan yung streaming services. Right? HBO Go, Apple TV, Viu, and many more. Ito namang gym. Para ma-enjoy mo ang facility sa loob ng gym, babayad ka monthly. And even yung mga life plans, security plans. 'Di ba? Para ma-enjoy mo 'yan pag may natsogi, 'yan meron ng 'yan baong, 'di ba? O pag may para may meron kang benefits, okay? O 'yan, insurance. Right? So, kumbaga dati pa pala ginagawa. Okay? So, ano pa? Ayan. Okay, ito malupit kasi yung mga companies na 'yon, yung binanggit ko kanina, hindi kayo babayaran. Kahit sentimo walang babalik sa iyo. Ito lang po yung company, the only membership that pays. Okay? We are glad to say and to share it with you. Okay? And na-discover mo na si Live Good, ang membership lang na babayad sa'yo. Binibigyan ka ng dividend. Alright? So, gaano kalaki ang industry ng subscription? So, look at Netflix. Kahit mag-research kayo, no? Last year, magkano yung revenue nila? Umabot ng $31.6 billion. We are speaking of dollars here. Alright? O, kayo na mag-compute, magkano yan in peso? 'Di ba? Ikaw hindi mo feel kinikita ng Netflix, magkano na binabayan, 300, 500, 'di ba? Di mo feel. Pero palaki ng palaki ng revenue ni Netflix. Ano pa? Zoom. O itong Zoom kung hindi tayo naka-subscribe, malamang kanina pa tayo natapos. Kasi 40 minutes lang yung free ng Zoom, eh. Okay? Pero since naka-subscribe tayo, okay? O so unlimited. Tumatindi, ay titingnan niyo yung record from 2018 to last year. Palaki ng palaki ng palaki ang kanilang revenue. Right? Itong Amazon Prime, okay, para mapanood ng movie. So, sa subscription pa lang, okay, magkano kinikita nila? $25.21 billion. And even Costco, para makapasok ka, makabili ka ng mga discounted products, kailan pa member ka? Right? Monthly or yearly ka magbabayad niyan. Ang malupit nun, yung trend, yung growth ng company, palaki ng palaki. Palaki ng palaki. Numbers don't lie. People can lie, but numbers don't lie. Kaya check nyo, di ba? Pero I'll tell you, yung mga company na yan, walang ibibigay sa'yo na dividend. Walang ibibigay sa'yo na share. Alright? Pero, ang tanong, what if? Ayan, what if may company na same concept, subscription, right? Ma-avail mo yung products na, of course, highest quality, but very affordable. Right? Pero right now, bibigyan ka ng dividend or share. Ayan. O, gusto mo bang mapakinggan ito? Ayan. Alright. So ngayon, if you're willing and interested, ayan, ang tanong, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? O, $2,000 or more per month. So for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright? So ngayon, ito na po yung ating kitaan, okay? Yung plan ng company. So now, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Kasi talagang completely kakaiba talaga siya. Okay? And sana maintindihan nyo para makatch up nyo yung nakita namin vision dito. Okay? So how to become an affiliate member? Register with your sponsors link. Balikan mo yung sponsor mo and you pay one time $49.85. So around mga 2.9 no or 2.850 depende sa palitan and saan ka na-register. Alright? So yun yung first month. Unang buwan lang yun. And in the following month, 9.95 na lang. Yan. So mga 585, 590 pesos per month. Okay? So what do I get with the 14.85? Oh, may mga kukuha ka bang physical products? So since club membership po ito, sasabihin ko na po sa inyo, wala po. Okay, wala. Ano na-enjoy mo? Access to membership club. Lahat ng products and services natin nasa online na. Right? Digital marketing products. And the best part ito kasi you can participate in the compensation plan. Alright? And not just that, we also have websites like retail site, Powerline landing page, corporate site, Super Greens, and Super Reds. Hindi lang isa. Hindi lang dalawa. Hindi lang tatlo. 5. Okay? 5 website. Nakapangalan sa'yo. Malupit, no? O retail site, pag kami nabebenta ka o company na bahala magbigay sa iyo ng commission sa na-order nilang products. Alright? Ayan. Dito landing page doon tayo nagpapa-member. Okay? Corporate site about the company, Super Green, Super Reds. Video explainer yan. So, pag gusto nila mag-order, punta sila sa baba. Order now. Alright? So, ngayon, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a unilevel and force matrix. So, wala na po tayo ditong left and right pairing. Alright? So, unilevel na lang force matrix. So, paano ba yan? We have with these 7 ways to earn. So, weekly fast start, legal commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Yan po isa yung unilevel. Sa matrix naman po is, yan, ito yung matrix. And sa matching, hybrid sila. Okay? Yung unilevel and force matrix. Alright? So, weekly fast start, bonus. Ayan. So, from the word weekly, up to 10 levels deep, indirect mo. Ayan, kumikita ka pa rin. So, the fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid for the 25. Okay? Ayan. So, imaginein mo ha, kalahati. Kalahati ng sign up mo binigay sa'yo. Grabe, no? Oh, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. Right? Sa iba kasi 10, 20, 10, 13, 14% lang. Di ba? Konti lang. Okay? Oh. So ngayon, ang maganda sa weekly fast start, 10 levels deep, ayan, pag 10 levels deep, ayan, you can earn deeper, right? Indirect mo, okay? Is infinite wide. Okay, pagka refer ka talaga, all right? Talagang grabe yung magiging kita mo dito. Okay? So, ito naman yung weekly sample computation. All right? So, ngayon, ay matindi kasi this part alone can easily beat other Complan designs. 'Di ba? Matindi kasi iba may pinapakita 'di ba Complan nila, design. Pero ito matindi, power of 5 lang. Yes, power of 5. Given dating time nag-diamond ka. Pag power of 5 la, 'di ba? Sabihin natin per month 5, tas yung next month mo 5, nag-5 din. Oh, grabe matindi yung ito yung earnings oh. Sa una, first, second level pareho. Oh, third level 312, ayan. Okay? Oh. So, pag ito total mo yan, around, ayan, 6M dollars. Ito matindi, darating yung time, hindi ka lang 7, 8 figures peso earner. 9 figures earner ka dito sa Live Good. Ang matindi dito, bakit? May iba, hindi lang 5 eh. Mas marami pang pina-join eh. Oh, ang matindi dito kasi sabihin natin 30 na lang. 30, sabihin natin 6 months to 1 year, 30. Okay? O yung 30 na yan, nag-duplicate. Okay? No, nag 900. 927, 710. So, i-compute mo yan lahat, right? So, total kikitain mo is 2,097.70. Alright? So, ngayon, again, hindi ka lang dito hindi ka lang hindi ka lang dito bibigyan ng chance syempre na mabago yung buhay, kundi talagang grabe talaga yung kitaan. Okay? Ayan. So, we have this. Imagine nyo po, hindi ka lang 7, 8 figures, 10 figures pa rin. 'Di ba? Try to look at that. Yan yung future. Di ko nga tinapos level 5 eh. Yeah, level 4 lang. Oh, how much more pa pag nag-level 10 yan? Eh, grabe talaga. Okay? Oh, so paano mag-rank up bronze? Simple lang, refer ka ng 2 tao, pa-join ka. Ayan. Okay, so yan yung kikitain nyo. Okay, yung kikitain nyo yan, $5 at 25 sa first level, $12 sa second. Silver naman, at least 20 directs, 20 na personal enrollees, or 10 directs plus team of 20, 10 directs sa silver, the bronze plus team of 20, silver ka na. Pag gold naman na to 6 level, 30 directs plus team of 100, okay, 3 directs sa silver plus team of 100, or 4 directs, yung tatlo may tigto 30, yung isa may 10, so 100, gold ka na. Platinum naman up to 8 level, 100 directs plus team of 500. Okay? Oh, tapos 3 of your directs na gold plus team of 500, and 4 of your directs. Tigo 150, isa 50, team of 500. So, yan, platinum ka na. Alright? Tapos diamond naman up to 10th level, 3 of your team nag-platinum at least. Okay? Tapos reach mo yung 2-5 of 20. I'm team of 20, 2-5. Okay, team of 2-5 I mean. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, ito namang other way is at least 5 of the Rex, merong total team na 500. Ayan. So, diamond ka na. So, ang Crown Diamond naman, at least 50,000 na total team and tig 10,000 na each leg na, ayan, may total team na 10,000. Okay? So, ito namang Matrix, 2x15, simple lang to. Multiple of 2 ka lang. Tapos 15th level. Ibig sabihin, ikaw to nasa taas. Yan, times 2. Yan, 2 yan sa baba mo. Times 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 60, 32, 64, and so on and so. Okay? So, monthly po itong binibigay. Pag nagbabayad na sila ng subscription, na-refer mo man yan o hindi. Okay? Kasi dito darating yung time talaga pag wala kang ni-refer, bibigyan ka talaga ng tao. Okay? Pero mabagal nga lang. Kung gusto mo bumilis, mag-refer ka talaga. Okay? So, ngayon, pagka yan, member that pays their monthly membership of 9.95. So, paano na po yung matrix? Ganito yan, di ba ikaw nasa taas? Okay, so magsisimula sa left, right. O given, wala ka pang na-refer. O yung, ano mo, tapos may nag-refer. So, saan ilalagay yun? Dito sa left ni number, and first box. Ayan. Sa box sa left ulit, tapos right. So, lahat left. Okay, sunod-sunod yan left. Tapos, ayan, right, left, right, and so on. Alright? So, ito yung corresponding na income nila. Income nyo. So, ngayon, yung matrix monthly commission naman, okay, makikita nyo up to 12 level siya. Unrank. Ibig sabihin, isang refer or walang ni-refer at all. Okay? So, $2,047.50. Bakit ganun? Okay? Ayan. Kasi nga, ayan. Ayan. Kasi nga, 8,190 people times 0.25 cents equals 2,047.50. Okay? So, ganun po yun. So, pag nag-rank up ka, 13, 14, 15th level, mas dumodoble. Yan, nag 4,000, 8,000, $16,000. Okay? Ayan. So, worth it ba siya sa mga naghihintay, matrix waiters? Ayan. Okay, kasi may iba talaga, di natin mapigilan eh. Yun, mga happy subscriber lang. Alright? So, ngayon, given na puno yan. Puno yan. Okay? So, total people is 8,190. So, magkikitain mo dyan is 0.50 to $8 per month. And this is not enough to pay your monthly subscription. Di pa yan enough. So, wag mainip. Keep sharing. Right? So, ngayon, ang minimum kikitain mo dyan pag umabot ng 5th to 12th level, minimum 16 to $2,047.50 per month. And this is enough to pay your 9.95 monthly subscription. And now, you're in profits levels. Okay? O, bigyan natin sample. 1 year. Sabihin natin 1 year nagbabayad ka ng subscription mo, oh, ang tanong, yan, okay, worth it ba siya? Worth it ba siya kahit ano, ayan, kahit, yan yung, ginastos mo, so yun naman yung balik sa'yo. Yes, worth it, 'di ba? O sabihin nating 3 years, o sa 3 years, ang kinita I mean yung, ginastos mo 20,000 sa subscription mo, and after 3 years, dun ka pa kumita ng 113 every single month. Worth it pa rin ba? Yes. O after 5 years, sabihin natin, 5 years, ginastos mo 33,000, ang ano mo, ang, puwede mong kitain every single month is 13,000. Okey? Oh, hindi ko pa nilagay diyan yung ano, yung, 10 years, okey? Oh, ito lang, pero tumatindi yung 6,000, 20,000, 30,000 hindi na po ikaw nagpapalabas niyan. Dito na po yung kinukuha, yan sa 5th to 12 level. Bakit? Hindi naman po yan pupunuin. Okey, di yan pupunuin na ano, tapos dun pa ibibigay yung ano, dun pa ibibigay yung, commission. Basta may tao diyan nagsu-subscribe, bibigyan ka ng commission, okey? So, bakit mas in-encourage namin kayo na mag-refer kaysa maghintay? Ito kasi yan, so 'pag 1 referral ka, ito weekly binibigay, oh, $25. Whereas 'pag may 100 spillover ka, monthly binibigay. So, makikita mo diyan sa mga ano, earnings mo, 0 muna, okey, kasi naghintay ka, eh, okey? Oh, so 'pag 100 spillover, ang mangyayari niyan, at least meron kang 6, oh. Level, ayan, level 1 to level 5 puno siya, and level 6 na ano, may tao, 100 people lahat. Anong gusto mo? Isa o 100 na tao? Kasi diyan wala kang kontrol, eh, whereas 'pag na-refer ka, may kontrol ka. Okey, tapos mas maaga yung kitaan. Okey, ito to referral lang, okey? Oh, weekly. So, ngayon, na-invite mo itong dalawa, so kumita kang 50. So, para kumita spillover sa monthly mo ng ano, ng, $50, kailangan mo na ng 200. Yes, 200 katao. Okey? So, ito naman po ay matching bonus, 5 generations deep, simple lang 'to. Kung magkano kinikita ng mga directs mo, okey? May kalahati ka, 50% mapupunta sa'yo. Simple lang, oh, 'pag si Pedro kumita ng $1,000, may 50% ka, 500. Oh, si Juan kumita ng 500 meron kang 250. Oh, okey. So, si ano naman, Maria kumita ng $100, may 50 ka. Okey. Oh, si ano naman, ah Polano, kung sino man, okey, kumita ng $200, right, may $100 ka. Okey, tapos yung matching bonus po natin is infinite, infinite wide yan po, okey. Tapos, ah, may rank up din, okey, may rank up and generational siya. So, simple lang yan, hindi ka lang kikita para mas maintindihan niyo 'no, hindi ka lang kikita sa directs mo kundi sa buong organization niya. Okey, may percentage po 'yan. So ngayon, ito naman sample bonuses natin 'no, 'yan like sa matching, like may 10 directs ka, o nag-team of 20, matrix income $100, may 50 ka. So may total ka na 5,000, okey? O silver 10, okey, 10 directs, okey, tag 100 na kaya times 10 times 10 times 10, $100, so 10, so 1,000. So all in all 'pag ito-total niyo 'yan, that is 39,000. Imaginin mo 'yan. 39,000, 'di ba? Oh, at least malaking tulong na rin 'yan, alright? Oh, okey. So 'yan 39,000, yung, puwede mong kitain. So ito po yung sample 'no ng kitaan. So why we encourage you na isali yung family member mo kahit dalawa muna, ganito kasi 'yan. So pagka naging bronze ka na, nasali mo yung 2 of your family member, $4,095.50 kikitain. So ngayon, um dalawang family members mo, tig 2,047.50 sila. So, kayong tatlo kinita niyo sa matrix and matching, 10,138. Imaginin niyo na lang 'no, darating yung time na pag-uusapan natin, okey, pag-uusapan natin is ayan, hindi lang ito, right? Hindi lang ito, and hindi lang tayo sa Zoom mag-uusap-usap, okey? Kasi sobrang talagang imagine mo kung yan yung kinikita mo, talagang mababago yung buhay mo. Okey, tapos siyempre 'pag hinataw mo 20 directs, right, 20 directs o 2,047.50. So, earnings ka, okey? Earnings yan pagka, I mean, earnings yan ng mga directs mo. And pagka syempre na-match sa'yo, 1,023.75, kalahati ka. So, all in all, kinita mo 20,475 or 1.1 million monthly income. Grabe, no? Okay? Oh, imagine mo nung life, meron ka niyan. Okay? Oh, so ito naman 30 directs. Sa 30 directs, at least yan, mag-bronze sila. So sa matching and matrix, okay, so 6,000, so may 3,000 ka. Yan. So 30 times $3,000 equals $90,000. So 5 million every single month ang pwede mong kitain. Okay? So itong vision natin, 100 solid direct. Ibig sabihin 100 na diamond. Okay? So ngayon, ang kikitain ng diamond is maximum 16,183.50. Okay? So ngayon na pag ano na, yan, pagka okay na, yan. Ima-match yun naman yung sa'yo, 8,190.75. Okay? So, try to imagine this. Try to imagine this. Okay? Kumikita ka ng 45 million pesos month after month after month after month after month. Grabe. Alam niyo guys, 'pag ito nangyari 'no, yung 5 billion kanina nakita lang ngayon expenses na. Oh, malupit 'no? Oh. So hindi pa naubos ngayong buwan, meron namang next month. Hindi pa naubos yung next month, may next month pa ulit. So gano'n ka kaganda naghihintay sa'tin dito, okey? So ngayon, totoo ba na makapag-enroll ng marami? Yes, tignan niyo naman po, maraming enroll. Yung top 1, top 2 natin 1,000 plus na, okey? So ito naman retail commissions, 10 levels deep. So, price ayan, retail commission is a 50% bonus of time difference between the ayan, member price and retail price. Okay. So, kung may mga nabebentahan ka, pati yung team mo nagbebenta na rin, naka-order sila ng products, natanggap yung payment, so automatic meron kang kita doon, retail commission. Tapos infinite wide, 10 levels deep. And ito naman influencer bonuses. Alright? So ito naman pagka-influencer ka, okay? So pwede mo gawin 'to pag ma-hit mo yung quota, $50,000. Okay? So instead na maghahati kayo kasi mangyari kasi nun, ayan, is that pagka sabihin na nating ₱20 yung tubo 'no, tubo sa product 'no, or ₱20 sabihin natin or even ₱60. Ang mangyari puwedeng maghati, 30 sa'yo, 30 sa company 'pag 60, okey? Pero 'pag ito na-hit mo yung quota, puwedeng ibigay sa'yo lahat, okey? Gano'n katindi. Tapos diamond bonus pool of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamond rank. So, ngayon at least kahit papaano meron tayong nagawang ayan, diamante. Okey? Ayan, naging part tayo nun and, ayan kahit wait 'no, magkano kaya? Okey? Ayan. So, yun po, diamond bonus pool, ito yung mga 70 plus pa lang ngayon, 70 mag-run to 75, yung diamond bonus pool. So, yan, crown diamond bonus pool naman, ito yung mga, yun, crown diamond, 0.5% of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all the crown diamond. So, inahati din. Maganda sa crown diamond kasi, ano eh, tawag nito, madadaanan mo yung diamond. Tas ito pa. Okay? Kaya matindi talaga. And right now, ito po yung mga nagkaresulta. Ayan, so andiyan din po tayo, yours truly. Okay? So, matindi. Okay? So, kung result lang, no questions asked na yan. Okay? And kasi andiyan na eh. Okay? So, yan po yung susundan natin. Again, yung result natin magdedepende po sa galaw natin at seryoso sa pag-aral sa negosyo. Alright? So, malupit kasi 850,000 tayo na. Okay? In 11 months. Grabe. Okay? Sa ibang company, 30 years na, 267,000 pa rin. Okay? And right now, nasa sabi ko sa inyo, 850,000 plus pa lang tayo subscribers globally. Alright? Oh. So, ngayon, pinaka-ano talaga ng iceberg is, yun nga, first, 5 million subscribers. Okay? So, ngayon, yung mga hindi nag-subscribe, alright? Ayan. So, pwede pa kayong bumalik ayan sa mga huminto na rin, alright? And grabe 'no, imagine niyo 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. Grabe 'no? Ang projection natin magwa 1 million tayo subscribers in December 2023. Grabe talaga 'no? And kung bakit gano'n na lang yung growth, breaking the records talaga yung ginawa ni Live Good, okey? So, kung ikaw nagdududa ka pa, Ngayon nap 1 na po si Live Good, abay kakaiba na yung duda mo. Okay, palitan mo na yan ng faith, okay? 'Di ba? So, guys alam ko iba sa inyo may nalugi na, na-scam, okay, pero here's the thing, try lang ulit. Hindi mo malalaman isang bagay kung para sa'yo kaya di ka susubok. Magkano lang naman, hindi mo naman siguro ikakahirap yung less than na 3,000 'no, o 2,900 plus, okay? Oh, so subok lang ulit, alright? Subok lang ulit kasi talagang lilipad 'to, eh. Whether you like it or not, this plane of opportunity will surely fly. And mabilis pa 'to sa mabilis. In a twinkling of an eye, talagang sobrang bilis nito, alright? Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakapag-start, I suggest, okay, simulan mo na. Huwag ka nang maghintay na maging member pa yung kamag-anak, kaibigan, kakilala mo, okey? Ayan, so simulan mo na, gawin natin, pagtulungan natin kasi iba yung naghihintay sa'tin dito na future, okey? Ayan, so, sana ayan siyempre maging part ka dito kasi in the future dalawa puwede mong sabihin, eh, buti lang or sayang. 'Yan, buti na lang sumabay ako, 'yan kahit papaano kumikita ako, maganda yung sitwasyon sa'min or sayang, sayang sana yung shinare nila is that ano, sinimulan ko kaagad nung una, oh. So, nasa choice yung choice po nasa inyo, okey? So, wala na po kaming hawak dun, kaya ikaw lang po mag-decide, okey? Wala naman 'tong ano, eh, ah, pilitan, okey? 'Di ba? Kasi ito, we're just sharing it unto you, passing it unto you, na maintindihan mo yung konsepto ng business, okey? Ayan. So ngayon, here are the top 4 remaining reasons why you should join LiveGood. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. So pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Number 2, we have high quality and very affordable products. So sinabi ko na rin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung products natin in marketing system, tools, and training. So lahat provided na yung link, okay, yung kakailanganin yung mga training. Yan. So pinovide na po yan ng ano, yan ng bawat team. And number 4, a simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. So very generous. Simple lang, hindi mo kailangang mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Kahit high school kayang, intindihin yung negosyo natin, eh, and very powerful. Okay, very powerful yung business na nito and nakita niyo naman yung trend 'no, talagang ang laki, okay, ang laki ng potential, right? So ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? If I were you, B and A, become a fake member. Kasi 'pag B or C, wasting of time lang 'yan. Okay, so get back with the person that invited you, let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So, ayun mga partner, so if you have any other questions, so ito, I leave you with this one verse. Sabi pa nga niya ni Lord, doon kung naniniwala ka sa Kanya, for I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. So if you really believe in God, okay? So believe na gusto niya na umasenso ka. Gusto niya malagay ka sa ano, magandang, sitwasyon, alright? So hindi mo gusto yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, that's okay. Ang importante meron kang ginagawa para mabago 'yan, alright? So yun lang, thank you so much, God bless, and, hopefully is that, siyempre natulungan kita mag-decide and, um, nakatulong din 'tong presentation na 'to, okey, sa ano mo, sa decision making mo. So yun lang, thank you, God bless, and see you all at the top.